Hey guys, welcome to yet another video of SQL Easy Problem Solving series. And today we have picked a very popular platform called HackerRank, and from there we will solve a particular easy problem within SQL problem list. So let us jump to the problem. But before that, all of you who don't know me, hi, this is Ankita and welcome to Data Couple. Here we talk about anything data. So if you are new to SQL or just want to enhance your skills in SQL, this is the place to come to. So if you like our content, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. This will mean a lot to us. Okay, alright, so let's move on to the problem now. Alright, so this is a particular problem from HackerRank where this is the table. We have station table and there are 5 fields starting from ID, city, state, latitude and longitude. And this is the problem statement. So we have to query the western longitude from the largest northern latitude in station, that is less than 137.2345. And we have to round our answers to the 4 decimal places. Alright, so okay. So we have the station table here and we have to find out the western longitude, that's for sure. So let us do that first. No, it's long W from station, and where the largest northern latitude in station, my lat n would be, now here comes the concept, okay? So it's written as we have to figure out the largest northern latitude which is less than a certain number, right? So easily what will come to your mind is we will select, okay, the maximum possible northern latitude which is lesser than a certain number, right? So we can do like where max of lat n less than that whatever number is specified in the problem. But unfortunately that won't work. Why? Because max, min, or count, average, these are aggregate functions, and aggregate functions cannot be used within where conditions directly. It can be used in having conditions, but for that we need a group by. And here we are only supposed to find out one column, that is western longitude, and we do not necessarily need a group by parameter here. So what will we do here? So we will actually do a little trick of using subquery, where in that particular subquery we will find out the maximum value of latitude there, and then we will equate that to the latitude in the filter function, and in turn that will pick out the longitude, western longitude for us in the select command. Okay, if I'm not sure if I confused you, but I'm very sure if you walk through me within the query, then you'll be finding it pretty easy itself to solve. So okay, let's see. So as I mentioned, we cannot directly use, let's say, max of lat n here. We cannot. It does not happen in SQL. It does not happen like that. So that's why we have to do a little trick. So we will be selecting the max lat n in a subquery from station where lat n less than 137.2345. Okay, so that's the number. So this will be my western longitude. And another thing we have to find out, we have to round our answer to 4 decimal places. Now round is a particular function. These kind of functions can be applied to a particular column, and we do not necessarily need to do any group by or any other operation, because these are not aggregate functions, but these functions can be applied to each cell separately on its own. So let's use this. What round will do here, round will take the column name, as in which particular column we actually want to filter out, and it will take a number or an integer which we will basically be telling the round function to limit their decimal numbers to. So let's say if I put as 2 western longitude comma 2, then it will round the western longitude value to 2 decimal places. But let's say if I give long w comma 4, it will limit the decimal places to 4 decimal places basically. So that's what the round functions work pretty much is, and let's see if it gives us the correct answer or not. All right, yes, this is in fact the correct answer. Let us submit the code. Yeah, great. All right, so we have solved the problem. I hope you guys learned the concept of not using any aggregate function directly within where condition. We cannot use that. We can only use such functionalities in having, but that only happens after we use group by. So that's not possible here, and that's why we use a little trick of using a subquery. in the where condition itself. And let me know if you will solve this question in a different way. I would love to know that. And let me know any kind of feedback or comments or suggestions that you have, or any other problem you would like us to solve for you.